Hi everyone, this is Claudette. I'm here in Austin. We are offering money to people that can answer this question about menopause. Come and join us. May I ask a few questions about women's health and menopause?
Okay, sure.
If you can get it right, you get a chance of winning some cash.
All right, let's give it a shot.
What is menopause?
When you get old.
The end of the woman's reproductive cycle.
It's the period of time after a woman loses her period.
I don't know. I know you can't get pregnant after menopause generally, and
phase that all women go through at a certain age where their hormones just get crazy.
You get cranky. Is a biological change that happens to women when they stop having their period.
Changes in appetite, changes in how you sleep, weight gain and loss depending on who you are.
And her hormones decrease to the point where it no longer has a monthly cycle, this sort of thing, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. If it's true or false, if I can tell you that women can have more than 100 symptoms during menopause. You think that's right? That's true?
Yeah, I'd say true.
True?
Yeah.
I would believe you,
You
yeah.
believe me?
I would believe.
That's a lie, yeah.
But if I tell you more than 100?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, 136 symptoms. Do you know the symptoms of menopause?
They would lose their period.
Hot flashes, not sleeping, irritability, mood swings. Just thinking all the things that my mom goes through right now. I mean, your hormones change so much.
My mom seems fine.
Irritability, lack of sex drive, lack of energy, weight gain.
depression maybe, feeling really down, not feeling good about yourself. I don't know,
Cramping, you'll have night sweats, you can have mood changes. I mean, there'd be dozens and dozens and dozens, as I understand it, more than I would know about it.
Mood fluctuation, maybe some tiredness, maybe a little bit of vertigo.
Sensitivity to weather.
Hot flashes.
Why are you not able to have children anymore?
Because your period stops.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I feel like
makes
you
sense.
stop growing hair on your legs.
How young the women can be and experience menopause? So you said
Can't they be in their 30s?
A variable. And sometimes it can be younger, and sometimes it can be older.
so I think it happens later on in life.
Mid 40s, late 40s, early 50s.
They say it's supposed to start in your mid 50s, but I don't necessarily think that that's the same for everybody.
35, right? So I would say as far as maybe 55, 60.
Like 45.
55?
that's right, 55, 55. How long do you think that menopause will last for a woman?
I'm assuming it doesn't last the rest of your life. I'm assuming it's a phase of life, maybe several years, 5-10 years maybe, and then it changes again.
It can go for multiple years. I know my mom's been experiencing stuff for the last 10, and she's at a hormone doctor trying to get hers all regulated. So
Yeah, I heard between 5 to 14,
Yeah.
7 to 15.
yeah.
Yeah. What are the stages of menopause?
That I couldn't answer.
No, you
I
cannot.
didn't know there were stages.
I don't, not at
No?
all.
I don't know how many
I don't know, maybe 4 or 5.
I know you have pre-menopause.
Perimenopause.
Perimenopause is one, and then
Postmenopause?
that
menopause.
menopause. Yeah, we have 3 stages of menopause: perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. It's true or false if a woman that is 35 years old, can she experience menopause?
True.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah. What,
Yeah.
And
Sounds like it.
No, but it does happen.
so you say
I would
true.
say true.
True, and you say false. Yeah,
I would say true.
you say
I would say false.
false.
I don't know. I think it's a little bit older.
I would say true.
You can. I was reading about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many percent of the women seek for treatment during?
10 or less, probably.
10%.
I would guess maybe 10 to 20%.
Do you think the
I'd say
women-
less than that.
less than 50%? Of
Less than 50? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
They say, you got it. Thank you so much.
How's your time?
Here's your cash.
Hey.
Thank you. Go enjoy. Have fun.
Thank you.